All right, it is the inaugural drive. Going to work. No test drives here. Taking it straight on my commute, which is mostly all back roads, so not very worried here, but back on the driveway. So far so good. Wiper fluid works. Here we go. It's driving. Sounds okay. Let's hope I didn't leave any tools hanging out somewhere. Yeah, I don't know. It feels pretty good. I don't go on any fast roads, but there's a back road that I can kind of goose it a little bit. It does feel a you know, I might be imagining it. It does feel a little peppier. Yeah. Who knows? It's been so long. It's been a couple months since I've driven it, so I'm used to the Subaru, which has a very different pickup. The other thing I never talked about is the fact that this truck has a supercharger on it. And when I first got the truck, I realized very quickly it was underpowered. I was commuting a lot on the highway, and there's a big hill, and I'd have to downshift sometimes into like third just to make it up the hill. And then I also wanted to put bigger tires on it, so that hurt me as well, you know. And then I put off-road bumpers, and you know, so it's a heavier vehicle, and it's got less torque to the tires because of the size of the tires. So I figured for $2,000, which was about what I found it for at the time, it was worth it to put a supercharger in rather than like trade the truck in, because I probably would have lost about that much through the trade-in process buying another, you know how it is, buying a car. So I've had it in there for a long time, and it's been, knock on wood, been reliable so far. Been fine. So, and it gives it just enough more torque and horsepower so that I, you know, it's not super fast, but now it's like a capable, you know, truck. So yeah, I was a little bit worried also about the engine being okay, being boosted a little bit. So that might have something that might also affect. I don't know. They probably maybe more important that the valves are in good shape and everything because of that. I don't know. But yeah, so far so good. It's not even up to temperature yet. It's still reading cool, which is interesting. Yeah, seems fine. No misfiring. Feels totally fine. All right. Well, this is going to be pretty uneventful, hopefully. So I won't record the entire commute, but yeah. Yes! So excited. I'm driving my truck again. Yeah. All right. We'll check back in a few weeks and see how she's holding up. All right. Till then, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.